When you search for vacuum sealers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. Let's kick things off with the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. Priced at $79.99, this handheld sealer caught my attention for its portability and ease of use. If you want an affordable solution to keep your food fresh on the go, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This little machine seals your food in less than 5 seconds, which means you can toss leftovers in without a second thought. It comes with 30 reusable vacuum bags, so you're saving money while reducing waste. The fact that it's rechargeable allows you to seal up to 1,000 bags on a single charge is impressive. That's perfect if you're traveling or camping. Now, some people complained about it not being as powerful as bulkier machines. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something compact and easy to store, this isn't a deal breaker. It's all about your usage needs. This is perfect for you if you're a traveler or want to save space in your kitchen. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty machine that seals large quantities at once. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if Chef Preserve's portability is something you love but you need a bit more power, the next one might actually be even better for you. Product number 2, Fresco Vacuum Sealer Machine. Next up is the Fresco Vacuum Sealer Machine, which is a great option at just $47.46. This one caught my eye with its automatic bag detection feature. If you want something user-friendly that saves you time, this one's worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's fully automatic, meaning just place your bag in and it does the rest. With a powerful 140W motor that creates a vacuum seal up to 30 bags in just 15 minutes, it's ideal for meal prepping. The 0.2-inch heating strip ensures a strong seal, even on moist foods, extending your food's freshness up to 8 times longer. Now, some users noted it can struggle with larger bags. But honestly, if you're mostly sealing standard portions, this won't be a deal breaker. It's designed for convenience and speed. This is perfect for you if you meal prep regularly and want to save fridge space. Skip this if you need to seal larger items frequently. For the price, you get fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're after something with a bit more versatility, the next one has you covered. Product number 3, POTANE Precision Vacuum Sealer. Moving on, we have the POTANE Precision Vacuum Sealer priced at $79.99. This one stood out with its impressive 8-in-1 presets. If you want a machine that can handle various food types, this is definitely worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 4 food modes and can adjust the sealing process based on what you're sealing. Its sloping top design prevents juices from escaping when sealing meats, which is a game changer for keeping your food intact and flavorful. Plus, it's backed by a 5-year warranty, so you know it's built to last. Now, some people found the design a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you want versatility and don't mind a little extra counter space, it's worth it. It's all about what you prioritize. This is perfect for you if you frequently seal different types of foods. Skip this if you're tight on kitchen space or only seal a few items occasionally. Given its features, the investment is justified. Now, if you want something that takes ease of use to the next level, the next vacuum sealer is definitely one to look at. Product number 4, FoodSaver V40 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer. Next, we have the FoodSaver V40 2-in-1 Vacuum Sealer, priced at $169.98. This one grabbed my attention for its automatic bag detection and ease of use. If you want a reliable sealer for long-term food storage, this one's worth considering. The built-in roll storage and cutter let you create custom-sized bags, so you're not wasting material. Plus, the patented removable drip tray is dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. Now, some users mentioned it can be a little pricey, but if you're serious about food preservation, the savings on wasted food will make it worth the investment. It's all about how much you value your groceries. This is perfect for you if you're into long-term food storage or bulk buying. Skip this if you only seal small quantities occasionally. For the features, it's a smart buy. Alright, that was a premium option. But if you're looking for something that balances efficiency and price, the next vacuum sealer could be just right for you. Product number 5. Bonson Kitchen Vacuum Sealer Machine. Finally, let's check out the Bonson Kitchen Vacuum Sealer Machine, priced at $89.99. This one caught my eye because of its patented Globefish technology for perfect vacuum sealing. If you're looking for a high-performance sealer that's still affordable, this is definitely worth a look. The easy lock handle and built-in cutter make the sealing process smooth, and the user-friendly design ensures you're not getting frustrated while using it. Now, some customers mention noise levels are a bit higher than expected, but honestly, most vacuum sealers aren't silent, and the efficiency makes it a minor issue for what you're getting. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable sealer for bulk food prep. Skip this if you're looking for a quieter option. Given its performance, it's a solid value for the price. So to wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic options. The portable chef preserve, the easy-to-use Fresco, the versatile Potane, the reliable food saver, and the high-performance Bonson Kitchen. Each has its strengths, so think about your needs and how often you'll be sealing food. Choose wisely and happy sealing.